快一点，加油！来呀来呀来呀来呀！你就这点能耐吗？你就这点本事吗 ？Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Today we'll talk about how to say "come on" in Chinese. I've prepared 8 movie clips. We will go through them one by one. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. She was really in a hurry. In this situation, you may say 快点。哦，快点，快点，快点，快点，快点，快点，快点。Come on, come on, everybody. In this situation, you may say, for example, 来呀，啊，来呀，来呀，来呀，来呀，来呀，大家都来呀。Come on, everybody. 来呀。Come on, come on, come on. They were waiting for something. They hoped it appears quickly. In this situation, you may say 出现呀，出现呀，出现呀，出现呀 or 出来呀，出来呀，出现呀，出来呀，出现呀，出来呀，出现呀，出现呀。Come on, come on, come on! You are a star. You are on top. So you want to say that words to encourage yourself. 加油，加油，你加油啊 ！Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. We may say 走吧，走吧，走吧。我不想说了，走吧。Come on, come on, come on, come on. In this situation, you may say, for example, 上啊，上啊，上啊，上啊，上啊。You want to encourage someone to do something. These words will be good when you play music or computer game. So, come on, come on, 上啊，上啊，上啊，上啊，上啊。Oh, come on. You want to turn your words to somewhere else. So, for example, you may say, oh, come on. Oh, 别这样。Or, oh, 少来了 depends on the different situations. Oh, 别这样 or, oh, 少来了 Okay? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Is that what you got? You want to encourage people to do something. How to say that? Yes, again, we may say 来呀，来呀，来呀，来呀，来呀，你就这点能耐吗？你就这点本事吗 Is that what you got? 来呀，来呀，来呀，来呀。Okay, that's everything for today. I really hope you enjoy. Next time, we're going to talk about how to say no way in Chinese. Click like, subscribe. See you.